I, Supriya Singh of CP01 Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, NTTF has given us so many golden opportunities like skill developing, cultural activities, MOC, sports, and etc. I have recently got placed in TVS Motor. Now I would like to share my interview experience with you all. There were 3 rounds in my interview. In first, there was written exam which only 40 girls were appeared and 18 got selected for the next round. In second round, there were technical round and HR round. I have given my interview with so much confidence and doesn't hesitated. I would like to thank my NTTF faculties and NTTF management, in charges and my classmates. Thank you.